Edo State Commissioner for Health Dr. Siri Adams Oshiomhole and im team don carry waka go Stella Obasanjo Hospital for one check visit to see the level of work wey dem don do so far. Dr. Oshiomhole, the contractors and some consultants follow waka around the hospital for the check. For im talk with tori pipo, Dr. Siri Adams Oshiomhole come tok say some small corrections and adjustments still dey wey the contractors go work on top when the hospital go start work fully. Dr. Oshiomhole come tok say im no fit promise a specific date, but as soon as dem finish all the corrections, the hospital go resume work fully.
I went round with the consultants and the contractor to look at what they've done so far, to make some adjustments. There were some errors that were made, and we brainstormed. Like when I appeared before the Honorable House Assembly, I told them that I'm someone that is a team player. I like to work with team, and that's why you can see behind me, you can see pediatric surgeons, you can see gynecologists, laboratory scientists, internists, so even ophthalmologists the last time we came. I want everybody to have his own input, so they all brought their own input, every department, so we can make corrections, make adjustments. We want to have a situation whereby there won't be any error. Some of the equipment were like data equipment, some of them were not branded, so we raised those issues. And some other minor adjustments in which the contractor promised to deliver in record time. So it's a continuous process. We continue to talk with the consultant and the contractor as time goes on, and we'll let you guys know what it is. Okay. I will go back to His Excellency to report to him what exactly I've seen so far. Well, I can't give you a specific time. It's the contractor here where he said I should give him a little time. But we need to sort out some issues. When those issues are sorted out, I believe we'll make an announcement. For now, let's focus on one step at a time. When the time comes, we'll discuss it more extensively on the health insurance.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.